xylophone. I am making xylophone sounds from dishes, cups, and glasses. Now I'm playing Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm making popcorn to make sound. First, we need a bag. Second, we need the corn. Third, we need the oil. Fourth, we need a table salt and a plate. And let's go make it. Oh, it's 3 times. Put microwave for 3 minutes. Put it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Be careful, it's too hot. If you touch it, it's too hot, then your hands might burn. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.